Hey everyone, have you ever felt manipulated? Maybe by a friend, a coworker, or even a family member? Manipulation is more common than we think, and it can leave us feeling powerless. But don't worry today, we're going to tackle this head on. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to spot, stop, and handle manipulation like a pro in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll feel empowered and ready to take control. Manipulators often use subtle tactics that can make us doubt our own perceptions. Common tactics include guilt-tripping, gaslighting, and playing the victim. These techniques can be hard to recognize, especially when we're emotionally involved. But understanding these tactics is the first step towards protecting yourself. Guilt-tripping can make you feel responsible for someone else's happiness. Gaslighting involves making you question your own reality. And playing the victim is when they shift the blame onto you to avoid accountability. Recognizing these signs is crucial because manipulation can erode your self-esteem and disrupt your mental well-being. Let's dive into some real-life scenarios. Imagine a coworker constantly criticizes your work, but when you confront them, they say, "I'm just trying to help you." This is a form of gaslighting, making you doubt your abilities. Or think about a friend who always makes you feel guilty for not spending enough time with them, even though you have other responsibilities. This is guilt-tripping. The psychology behind these behaviors often stems from the manipulator's own insecurities and need for control. They might not even realize they're doing it, but that doesn't make it okay. So, how do we tackle this? Here are some strategies. First, trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Second, set clear boundaries and stick to them. Third, use assertive communication. Calmly express how their behavior affects you without being aggressive. And finally, don't be afraid to walk away if the manipulation continues. For example, if someone is guilt-tripping you, you can say, "I understand you're upset, but I have other commitments I need to prioritize." By being assertive, you take control of the situation and protect your mental space. Remember, spotting, stopping, and handling manipulation is all about being aware and setting boundaries. Trust yourself, communicate clearly, and don't let anyone undermine your worth. Have you ever dealt with manipulation? Share your experiences in the comments below. We can all learn from each other. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on taking control of your life. Thanks for watching.